Hey, what's up, everybody? I hope everybody is doing fine and great. Today, Powell is gonna make a really big announcement that is gonna change your wallet. Yes, he's gonna change your wallet entirely. Big announcement is gonna bring big losses if you do not do what you intend to do. So be really careful. We are all listening to Powell now. So make sure to like and subscribe the channel. And I am bringing up the feed. Give me a moment. Powell is expected to speak in 2 minutes. There's a delay in the feed, so don't mind it. Currently the gold is at 37.75 and is expected to drop more. Opening Powell's speech right now. He's coming in 2 minutes. Give me a minute, guys. I'll be right back. By the way, 47 seconds left for the speech to begin. Make sure that you're watching any financial channel. I cannot play it because of YouTube copyright issue and all the other stuff, but make sure you're listening. But I'm telling you what to do. In case there's an opportunity to open a trade, I will definitely tell. So be alert and stay frosty because we will have an opportunity. It will be a quick scalp, okay? So hit the like button and stay frosty. Anytime he's gonna come and start talking, and there might be a insta dump when he starts talking. So be really careful. I'm saying again, be really careful. Have your stop losses intact, and even sell order limits or buy order limits. Whatever you wanna do. Don't hold any trade, okay? Because it's gonna be a crazy session. According to my forecast, he's gonna be hawkish and gold price is gonna go down, but we all know that it's gonna go up. So it's gonna be a pump and dump or a dump and a dump. We don't know, so be really careful. I'm saying again, be really careful. Any moment he's gonna come and start talking. Okay, we have a dump now. Gold is dropping as it's clearly visible in front of your screens. Okay, look at that drop on gold. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? So gold is declining and we have nothing to worry about. I'm listening to the speech right now. There's a delay in the stream, so keep that in mind. And it's gonna be a roller coaster, so you guys will enjoy it. The guys in the premium group are making profits, so it's not a problem. Nothing is a problem. There's a delay in the stream anyways. So the main thing right now is that he's hawkish. Maximum unemployment. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's a sell-off. The sell-off has started. But you will see pullbacks, possible pullbacks. Oh, the internet is having issue. What can I say? Anyway, so the entire scenario is that Powell is talking about labor market Powell is talking about inflation, and it looks like gold is going down. Guys, please like and subscribe the channel. 5 likes, and then I'll explain what you need to do. We are already on a sell. We took partial profits over here. Some of the trades, we are looking for trade opportunities. It might be that as soon as the press conference ends, gold might decline and drop further more down more. So be ready to take the trade. Market is providing opportunities, so we have to use the opportunities as much as possible. It's not just about alright, so gold is back up again. This is a nice opportunity to sell over here. Yes indeed, you heard me right. You can sell over here with a negative $10 stop loss, and everything will be good to go. I'm trying my best to stabilize the internet connectivity right now. I'm having issues, but it's okay. You guys know what to do. If you are listening, if you are actively listening to me, reply on the chat, so I know everything is alright, because I need to know what individuals are doing. Anything he says is gonna move the market. Okay, the first thing he said, tariff increases will likely show up as somewhat high inflation. Yeah, he's been saying that recently, that tariffs are adding on to the inflation, and that is something a bit of a bothersome thing that is increasing the workload of Fed. And Powell also mentioned that we will make sure one-time increase in price does not become ongoing inflation problem. Also said public trust in economic and political institutions have been challenging, and those in public service must focus tightly on critical missions. Good. Okay, so this is the most important thing right now, is if we look closely on the stock market it's gonna take some time. Stock market right now is in a hail of all-time high, alright, but Powell is talking right now, so most likely is gonna decline. If you're somebody who's trading Tesla stocks in America, this is the time to short now. Right now, let's go on a lower time frame of 15 minutes. You can see it's declining. So you have two options, either short now or wait and buy from the bottom. The safest thing to do right now, hey, what's up Kavish? The safest thing to do right now is wait for the drop and buy if you have a small account, but if possible, sell. Kavish, did you took profit on gold trade? If you haven't, let that trade run. And Coming back to gold, as I said, gold is gonna decline further on, so shorting from this area is really crucial, but you have to be really careful at the same time, because anything that Powell says has a direct impact, so you have to be really careful. I'm saying this over and over again because I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know where your trades are, so be careful, because one mistake can make a big change in your account and you don't want a hole in your account. Keep it simple and keep it small, okay? Even if keep it a small lot. If let's just say you take 0.05 lot size, take half of it. Don't be greedy. Alright. Again I'm saying don't be greedy. If you will be greedy, the market is gonna teach you a lesson. And you don't want any lessons from the market, especially on days like this. Again I am saying make sure to take profit, book your profit. The market is acting really weird. Okay, I'm listening to Powell now. Okay, so I have to somehow open the news again. We have a good news. The good news is that market is somewhat getting stabilized. Bad news, we are still waiting for the opportunity to enter the buy trade. Okay, listening now. What the hell? Okay. Uncertainty over inflation paths main side. Okay, question and answer season has begun now. This is really dangerous. Okay, so here's the trade plan. Sell from the top. Okay, sell from the top. But be really careful. Any shit thing can happen. One fucked up reply, one fucked up question is gonna change the entire game. And it's gonna be an insta pump or a dump. Hit the like button, guys, come on. Deeply understand. I'm listening to him, don't worry. Watch Bloomberg. Go to livehdtv.com and yeah, the official Fed is not working. Go to www.livehdtv.com and select Bloomberg if you're on mobile or PC and watch the speech on Bloomberg live. Disable ad blocker. It's going up. In short, it's more of a dump and a pump kind of a scenario. Should I close the sell? No. I said follow the trade plan. Even my sell is running. We will follow our trade plan as intended, okay? If it even hits his stop loss, we will come back tomorrow. The reason we are doing that is because intraday perspective, gold is gonna drop down during or after the speech end. Because prices are all-time high and retracement will come. If not today, this week. If not today, tomorrow. But we never know that. So, this is why stop loss is there. To ensure that we either hit our goal, we take profit, or we hit a stop loss. Okay. So, let the trade do its job. Follow the trade plan. Our GBP USD trade is already in profit, right? We took 2 trades. GBP USD is already in profit. We will carry on that trade till Friday. This gold sell, we are like at break even. So it's not a problem. What's the worst that can happen? It is stop loss. So we will lose just the amount of money that we thought we gonna lose, not more than that. But what if it goes the way we want it to go? Because I see retracement. It did fell down. Selling pressure is there, and selling pressure hasn't gone anywhere. This is just the question and answer session, and I know there will be some questions in which Powell won't say about anything about rate cut. He's talking about inflation, yes, but he isn't talking about cooling the economy. All these things matter. And by the way, this area 3780 is a really strong support zone, support turned resistance zone. Okay, I'm back. So, as I said earlier on, Powell said it's not a time of elevated financial stability risk. Gold is declining. Good. Okay, so here's this plan. If this is a nice area to sell, I just took a sell re-entry. This is my sell re-entry. Stop loss is really tight. I put the stop loss at 90. Okay, because this is news trade, I will close it. That other one, that signal one, will keep running, but this one is a scalp, so I will close it. This is the plan. Powell is so concerned about inflation and policies. He's more concerned about the policies rather than anything else. some asset prices elevated versus historical levels. Yeah, he's talking about gold. And he's pissed off about gold at the same time. Because if gold goes up, nobody is gonna buy dollar. So safe haven, he hates safe haven. But he did nothing. Fed credibility has been affected heavily. Because Fed isn't doing enough to control inflation. Hasn't done anything to control inflation at all. And Biden was just the worst thing that happened for US economy. Because he was just printing money and giving funds to Ukraine and other countries. And whenever something happened, he just used to say to the Fed, just print me money. Bail out, bail out, bail out, bail out. So many times the Fed has bailed out the economy. The last time I saw the only time I saw rate hike was back in COVID. After that, no. Now she's asking about the labor market. Because AI has affected the labor market. The more the companies are adopting AI, it means the less there are going to be people employed, because AI is doing a work of, for example, AI is doing a job of 100 people. So those 100 people are going to get displaced and jobless. So that's the reason jobless is increasing. In near future, when AI will be mostly adopted, why? Because AI doesn't need to eat food, AI doesn't need to sleep, AI doesn't need health insurance. It just need learning capacity. Besides that, the only cost it involves is electricity bill and deep thinking and other modules to increase its learning capacity. Besides that, AI is 24/7 throughout the week. This is why in future everything will be under AI. And around the world, people are adopting it. Third world countries are gonna adopt it later on, but there are already factories in China and Japan which are completely run by AI, robotics. The timing is just too right for the Powell speech. Keep in mind, this new entry you see on your right side will be closed as soon as the speech ends, or after 15 minutes of the speech, depending, but we will close it soon. By the way, if you are watching the stream right now, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. I'm listening to Powell's speech and telling what to do, so you don't have to worry about what you need to do during the speech. Right now, Powell is talking about inflation, how hot the inflation is. In short, in simple word, just you see a trade right now with a tight stop loss at 37.90. Open a sell. This is not a financial advice. This is just my trade. I have opened a sell around 37.80, 81, and stop loss is sitting at 37.90. And I have this sell running, and it's because Powell is talking about inflation, he's talking about labor market, he's talking about how the AI has affected the job labor market, people are losing their jobs, and how in near future jobless is just going to keep on increasing. So you just need to, and how Fed is going to overcome this. How can Fed overcome this challenging tasks which are going to be part of the US community in the future. Job creation has dropped very sharply. See, he just said job creation. Why? Because of AI. Give me a second, let me grab a glass of water. This can all go nasty if it goes up, but that is likely going to happen because we saw that yesterday. Whatever happens once doesn't happen twice. Because it's Tuesday after all, not Monday. Mondays are like that, fuck up days. Tuesday, mostly people take the trades, mostly you will take on Tuesdays, and those trades that you take on Tuesday can be easily carried towards the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, with whatever data is coming. And we are getting PC core price index on Friday, which is key inflation gauge. Here we go. He's talking about layoffs, all that stuff. Okay guys, I'm listening to Powell's speech and I was eating my food. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Come on guys. If you hit the like button, I'm gonna give away one more free entry for you guys. Come on. Gold entry has already been given. Just 3 more likes. Everybody wants to listen to Powell. Here's this thing. Powell is talking about tariff pass-through has been less than weighted than we expected. Okay, so this is really awkward for everybody then. I have also read a lot of Fed members. They were saying that how tariffs have increased inflation and is the reason for the increase in inflation, and how they could have, how the Trump could have somehow managed it, but he didn't. And so if you manage it properly, then you can definitely achieve high result, but they didn't. Anyway, so here's this second entry. Guys, hit the like button. Look what's happening in US 30. It's pumping and dumping. It just made new all-time high and is dropping now. But you don't sell now because this is the area where it will start going up. This is hourly. If I go to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, it's crazy. Yes. If you want free entry, hit the like button and I'll tell you what to do. You're gonna make profit, baby. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. Here's this thing. We are waiting to buy. Yes, we're gonna buy from here. But not now. As soon as the speech ends, we will buy US 30. Is it understood? Come on, people. Who's listening? Going back to gold. Gold is a drop. Bitcoin also will take some time. GBP USD going up slowly. Will be up again by tomorrow. So we are good. We are in good hand, in short. Okay, she's talking about rate cards. 2 more rate cards. Don't fucking pump gold. Silver is on the other hand declining. Silver is dropping. If silver is dropping, then gold definitely follows the path. We are way in for this short. This short was really due. This short is due. If you look at hourly, you can see the last 1 hourly candle, the way it closed is telling about what's going to happen now. This 1 hourly or the next 1 hourly or the one after that will cause the price to drop down till 37.29, and if it reaches here, then the next destination will be 37.14. Sooner or later we will be sitting at 36.91. It will definitely go to 36.91. Yeah, a lot of people don't want that, but they're forgetting is the end last month. Then last month is always a retracement. And if we go and see the monthly candle, monthly time frame, it will tell you a lot about what will happen eventually. Let me turn this off. This is the rate hike we got, 75 base rate cut. This is the rate cut, and eventually when the month is ending, there is going to be a pullback just like it did over here. And when it first time touched 3500, it went down to 3200, nearly a $300 drop. So we are at almost 3800. So $300 drop is somewhere around 3500, 3600 or 3500. It will do a pullback. This is the pullback week. Last or second last week is gonna pull back. So if you know what's going to happen in a monthly time frame, then you go daily, weekly, okay? And if you know what's happening in weekly, you go daily. Daily is up, okay? So if you can somehow manage to spot divergence, then you can go on 4 hourly. Four hourly, okay? And 4 hourly is predictable. Yeah, I know lots of stuff what that stuff is. Market session. Turn this off. If you go on 4 hourly, this is filivered. This is the stuff that I'm talking about. Elliott wave. Elliott wave was due for a long time, but this didn't happen. Instead, this happened, and I was thinking, what is this? Now I understand. This is this wave. Now it's gonna be an ABC correction, which is gonna go down. Hopefully, I can be wrong, but I take my chances because there is probability. You follow probability and economics in trading, so the probability of this happening is higher than the probability of going up, because it's Phillips curve after all, and Phillips curve can be late, but it can be wrong, and we already have a. And by the way, one thing to notice is previously 4-hour candle on gold closed in bearish, so that means that we have a confirmation of a downtrend, and this has the potential to drop down till 36.30. Again, I'm saying I'm putting an alert. It's not possible. Already consumed 3 alerts. Let me remove this one. By the way, the reason I don't have a subscription on this account is because this account got blocked by TradingView because I was posting too many ideas, and somebody on the forum thought it's a bad idea that he is giving it away for free. So I have another account in which I have subscription, but this mainly because I'm still using this because I have all this data saved over here. So I will later on, when there is a sale, I will take a package and import all the chart data to my other account, and then I'll be logged in from that. So keep in mind, then I will have split screen and 4 screen, and that won't be a problem. But it's gonna take some time. I'm waiting for the sale because buying right now is not worth it. Powell said that we do see meaningful weakness in the labor market now. Okay, let's go back. Oh, okay. Okay. Most people calling us political is just cheap shot. Yeah, he's trumped. He's done, he's ended. Well, he's done talking. Now 2 things gonna happen. It's gonna pump or it's gonna dump, and we will follow our trade plan, whatever it takes us to. Whatever happens, we will face it. So we have it. We have the speech now. Just waiting now. As I said, I'm not gonna keep this trade running, this one which I opened during the speech. So I will close it within next 15 minutes if it doesn't drop down. I don't care how much loss in this, I will close it. But the previous ones, yes, I have will. This one I will have keep it running. Because sometimes what happens is that as soon as he's done talking, it takes about a minute or 15 minutes for the market to just react and digest, because it's gonna digest everything. Traders are gonna digest, and it's instant reaction. So, and it will be instant. If it goes down instantly down, it's gonna go back up the same way. So make sure to take your profit, because you are scalping right now, remember. Okay. Anyways, the speech is done, so I don't have any. I'm just gonna stream for 15 more minutes because I said so, and as soon as I close this, I will be done. I mean, I will be done for the stream, not anything else. Give it some time, it will drop. Anyways, I'm ending the stream because I know you guys want to watch, but I'm too tired. So what I will do is I will let the stream run. You guys watch it, watch my chart, and I'll take some time off because I'm tired. I'm tired of working all day. It was a really nice day today. We made profit on GBP USD. Gold, I took profit over here, partial profit, and this trades too. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the sell running. And by the way, guys, join the free Telegram group. C is dropping. Let me stay for 5 more minutes, then I will go. Because it's dropping and it will drop really hard. And it will be worth it. And I know a lot of people have concerns. Don't worry. It will go back down where it came from. Okay, so before I go, I was talking about US 30, in case I forget. It's dropping down, right? So Trump is speaking in a meeting with Zelensky in New York. Holy shit. If he talks about ending the war, then of course gold price is gonna drop and US 30 is gonna go up. But if he's talking about giving more budget to Ukraine for war, then of course US stock market is gonna drop and gold is gonna go up. Anyways, gold is gonna drop down. See this red candle? This is not just your normal average red candle. This is the red candle that I'm talking about. This is the holy shit red candle. Na, na, Hit the like button, guys. Majority of the people who are watching this the stream are not even subscribed. And no likes, please. Why? No likes. Why? Yeah, it's a dump. It's a dump. S&P 500 is dropping. Nasdaq is also going down. Everything is going down. Stocks fall as Fed Chair Powell gives no hint of more new cuts. See, I said, if he talks about no more further rate cuts, the stock market is gonna drop. And besides that, gold is also gonna drop. And there is no. So it means that not mentioning rate cut is equivalent to rate hike. So our sell is safe. Just keep it open, okay? Don't lose your mind over it. Because more likely in Tokyo session or late New York session, it will just instantly do something crazy. Here it comes a big drop, the Baba Yaga one. We are all settled. Kavish, if you still have the sell running, don't close it. It's just let it be. Let it be, brother. It's just strange how gold reacts to each and everything. Normally it's not doing shit, but when it drops so hard. Lest you question your reality. Everything is a sell-off right now. Entire stock market is going down. Everything is bleeding red. Gold will follow the path too. Look at silver. Silver is already down. Gold is not even doing that. Gold should do that. Started to do that. I don't want it to be a complete sell-off. Otherwise it's gonna ruin a lot of nice stuff. What do you say? Dump or a pump? I will let these trades run. I am completely satisfied on this gold sell. Besides that, US 30 is also dropping. But I will buy back US 30. Not now. I will buy it. I will buy it once it stops dropping, which is most likely in the second last hour of the New York close. Then buying the US 30 would be really beneficiary. Because that's how it works. That's how it is. Okay guys, I'm ending the stream with a short tip before I go. That is time to buy US 30. If you buy from here, you will be in a nice position to do a lot of other stuff that I cannot say over here because it's premium content. Anyways, I see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching the stream and staying with me. Take care of yourself. I'll be back tomorrow.